Hi everyone, welcome back once again. So in this video I will teach you how to create a policy in Microsoft Azure. Actually, what is policy? Policies are the rules we can set up here so that we can restrict something, or we can bring some discipline here in Azure portal work. Let's start with it. To go create policy, we have to go to the policy section. We can uh, go from here, or in the search bar we can write just policy and enter. So first I will show you actually some pre-built policies already here set up by the Microsoft Azure. So to do that, to see that actually you have to click on definitions. So when you will be in definition section, you will see all the pre-built policies available here in Microsoft Azure. So you can filter it as well, just like in category section. Right now all categories are available. So if you click on it and uncheck all, and for the time being we can use compute only, it will filter the policies. As you have seen, category, all compute related policies are available. So we can click on any of the policy, just like allow allow Azure machine size SQs. If we set these policies, it will allow to build machine only the predetermined size. So in this way actually the policies are working. So get back to the policy section once again. Now we are going to create our own policy. So to do that we have to go to the assignment section, and in assignment section you will see assign policy. So we have to click on it. Now we have to fill up the form. So we have to ensure our Azure active pass, I mean the subscription we have to choose this, and the resource group, for which group the policy actually will work. Then we have to define our policy. So to define our policy, there are loads types of custom type, build type, different types of policies are available. So for the time being we will use allowed locations. Allowed location help us to um, create our resources from specific regions. We cannot create our resources uh, from the other regions if we use this policy. So I will show you in the next steps when we will do the test actually. So then select on it, then you have to go to the next stage. You have to choose the parameter. So for the time being, as I mentioned, the region we have choose here, we have to create our all resources from the specific region. We cannot choose from other regions. So for the time being I'm choosing Japan West. Okay, and then we are moving to the next, and the systems which are actually available we can keep it the same. Then we are going to the review and create section, and we are going to create. So our policy is created and it shows a success message. So from where we will actually check our policy? If we refresh this page and if we select our active subscriptions, we will see that we have our own policy available here. So from where we can check that? In the compliance section we have to go to the policy, then we have to go to the compliance section. So we will see, you can see that our allowed location is available. Now it's time to test. So we want to create an storage for our selected resource group. So we have to choose storage accounts, then we have to click on create. Now we have to choose our subscription and the resource group. This is the resource group, our policy script. We are giving a name. Now as you have seen, there is a warning message because the region we have choose is US East, but as per our policy for this group we have to choose region Japan West. So we're trying, still seeing this warning message, we are trying to create our own storage. Let's see what will happen. So we are reaching at the, it's already shown a validation failed, but still we're trying to create. So as you have seen, the deployment validation failed message here. It's happened because we are not choosing the region actually based on our policy. So if we choose here in the list Japan West, then you will see the error message gone. That means the policy now allow us to create our resources. So in this way we can create our policy. Now to avoid these types of restriction in future, we are now going to delete our policy. So how could we delete them? First we are going to the home section, then we are going to the policy, and in the compliance section we have seen our policies available here, so we have to choose it. Now there is a section delete assignment, so we have to click on it and we have to confirm it. As you have seen, successfully deleted. So in this way we are actually create policy, implement policy, test policy and delete policy. So thank you for watching.